It's called a PUC, PUC, and it's a new AI-powered bioacoustic device from Birdweather.
It is filtered to exactly the species that my station has recorded. And I wanted to talk about the Warbling Vireo because although it's a plainish bird, it's a really good bird to understand the call from because they call like incessantly. So this bird, even though it's nowhere near as prevalent as house sparrows and tree swallows and mourning doves, it's calling like all day long.
And we have a recording that we can play for the audience right now, right?
Yeah, we can do that. In fact, we can play it directly from our sightings even.
Click the link below for the full episode and come explore with us.